Am I the only one that didn't know these cryptos are about to skyrocket? Let's dive in. First up, Bitcoin, with predictions as high as $1 million thanks to increased adoption and regulatory developments. Next, XRP, with the SEC lawsuit nearing resolution, analysts are eyeing up to $5. Solana is another hot pick, with forecasts reaching over $500. Its adoption and market performance are going strong. Finally, Dogecoin. With high-profile endorsements and a passionate community, it could zoom past $1. These cryptos are primed for a stellar 2025. But remember, the market is volatile. Do your research and invest wisely. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more updates.